Eraserheads are a Filipino rock band formed in Quezon City in 1989. The band consists of lead singer and primary songwriter Eli Bundia, guitarist Marcus Adoro, bassist Buddy Zabala, and drummer Raymond Marasigan. Hailed as the Beatles of the Philippines, they are regarded as one of the most influential and successful bands in the country. The band released their debut album, Ultra Electromagic, in 1993 to critical acclaim and strong sales, followed by Circus 1994 and Caterpillar 1995. The band ushered in a second wave of Philippine rock bands in the 1990s. They also received MTV Asia's Viewer's Choice Award at the 1997 MTV Video Music Awards in New York City, the only Philippine artist to have received the award before the conception of the MTV Asia Awards. After releasing the Christmas concept album Fruitcake 1996, Eraserheads experimented with electronic and art rock styles for their next album Sticker Happy 1997, Nat in 1999, and Carbon Stereoxide 2001. The band broke up in 2002, and all principal former members have enjoyed success as solo artists. They later reunited in 2008 for a series of reunion concerts in the Philippines and have since made sporadic touring and promotional appearances in the country and overseas. The members of Eraserheads met while attending University of the Philippines Diliman in Quezon City in 1989. Vocalist Eli Bundia previously had two college bands, Fluidity Trist and Sunday School, and was a year above drummer Raymond Marasigan, also a session drummer for Sunday School, bassist Buddy Zabala, and guitarist Marcus Adoro. The three were part of another college band named Curfew. Eli posted an audition notice for a new band on a university message board, of which only Raymond, Buddy, and Marcus showed up. The new band called themselves Eraserheads after the David Lynch film Eraserhead 1977. The band played at campus events, usually as the crowds started to leave. They later met Jet Pangan of the Dawn at a sorority event, who advised them to audition. On January 26, 1991, the band recorded a 9-song demo tape at Marasigan's garage in Candelaria, Quezon. The Dimas were said to be influenced by The Cure as well as ska and reggae genres. The band shopped the demo tape around record labels, clubs, and radio stations only to be met with rejection. One record label commented that the Dimas were not pop enough. Marasigan gave a copy of the demo tape to his humanities professor Robin Rivera, who helped them re-record and mix better versions of the Dimas. The new demo tape was named Pop You, as an irreverent response to those who turned them down. Pop Huge earned the band a spot at Club Dread, where they initially had little success playing covers. They decided to write their own material, which soon earned them a cult following. One song, Perco, became popular for its explicit lyrics. The band soon landed an out-of-town gig opening for Intro Voice in Cebu. Meanwhile, Buendia worked as a copywriter for BMG and wrote songs with the band at night. Their material later caught the attention of BMGA and our director Vic Valenciano, who commented that they were technically very raw but that there was something promising in them. In 1992, BMG signed the band into a 3-year record deal. In July 2008, the band confirmed they would reunite for a concert at the CCP Open Grounds on August 30th, initially sponsored by Philip Morris. The company later backed out after facing criminal charges by the Philippine Department of Health DOE for violating the Tobacco Regulation Act of 2003, prohibiting tobacco companies from sponsoring artistic events. They had also promised a free but invitation-only show for adults and smokers. The concert was later sponsored by Eraserheads Productions, with tickets being sold, and the venue moved to the Bonifacio Global City Open Grounds in Taguig. The band went ahead with a reunion concert as planned, with jazz Nicholas of Itchyworms joining in as session musician. However, it was cut short due to Buendia being rushed to Makati Medical Center after experiencing chest pains. The remaining band members went to Seguillo and played what would have been the second set of the concert, with E.B. Dancel on vocals. Buendia later recovered after an angioplasty. The concert was later released as a live album in November, with an accompanying concert film also released in theaters. In January 2009, the band announced a second reunion concert to be produced by MTV Philippines. Called The Final Set, the sold-out concert was held at the SM Mall of Asia Concert Grounds in Pasay City on March 7th, with an estimated 100,000 people in attendance. The band also paid tribute to Francis M., who had died of leukemia the previous day and was slated to be a guest performer. The concert was later aired on GMA Network as a TV special in April. In February 2009, the band received the MYX Magna Award, which was accepted by Marasigan. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.